All right, so if your withdrawals are suspended on Binance, yeah, that can be stressful. But in most cases, there's a clear reason and a fix. Let's go step by step. First, check your Binance notifications or email. They usually tell you exactly why withdrawals are blocked. A common reason is incomplete verification. If your KYC isn't finished, you'll need to complete it first. If you recently changed your password or security settings, withdrawals may be temporarily disabled for safety. If Binance detects unusual activity, they might pause withdrawals. You'll need to verify your identity again or confirm it's really you. Sometimes withdrawals are paused due to network maintenance. In that case, you just need to wait until it's back online. Make sure you have enough balance and you're not exceeding daily withdrawal limits. If you're still stuck, contact Binance support and explain the issue. They can unlock your account after verification. And yeah, that's how you fix Binance withdrawal suspended issues. Just follow the reasons step by step, and you'll usually get access back pretty quickly.